welcome back to another week, another video. This week I am talking about the importance of wrist warm-ups for handstands. Doing a wrist warm-up is really important for handstands, as just like with any other physical activity, it's really important to warm up your joints and to warm up your muscles before you use them. And also because handstands is considered a physical activity, or a skill in its case. So every single session before I do my handstands, I generally do like a little bit of a shoulder and a wrist and an arm warm up. And today I'm going to show you some of my favorite little like wrist exercises to inspire you guys for the kind of exercises that you can do before you practice your handstands. It's also really important to warm up your wrists because when you warm up something, you are reducing your chances of getting injured, because you get injured when you're cold and you're stiff, and warming up kind of gets rid of that chance. So always warm up. So some of my favorite exercises are the ones where you put your hands forward and backwards on the ground and put a little bit of pressure into them, and sort of like go through a couple of like the different sides and like go sideways and go in and just sort of like move through those motions. My other favorite one is putting your palms on the ground and then putting a bit of weight and moving it around your hands, as this kind of gets all of the different angles of your wrists and it really gets them nice and warm. My other favorite exercise is wrist push-ups, which doubles as a warm-up move and also a strengthening move. So for these, you want to place your hands down on the ground, shoulder width apart, and you want to make sure that your pointer fingers are facing forwards or are parallel to each other. And then you can either do this one on your knees or you can do it in a plank if you're a little bit more advanced. And you want to lift the base of your palm up and lower them down. Now, this may seem easy, but they're actually really hard when you're like first starting to do like handstands, and they are such a good strengthening move for your wrists, because putting all of your weight through your wrists is like our feet and our ankles do it all the time, but our wrists aren't used to that. So that's why it's so important that you warm up your wrists really well and really thoroughly before you do handstands, because your wrists just aren't used to that kind of pressure and your whole body weight going through your wrists. Back to those wrist push-ups. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're lifting the base of your palm up and down, and you kind of want to like hinge at your, I don't know, is that your third knuckle? At your third knuckles? You want to hinge at those knuckles by like lifting them up and down. And yeah, as I said before, you can do this on your knees, or if you want to make it harder, you can do it in a plank. And you just kind of want to do like 5 to 10 of these if you're like just starting out, or if you're like really advanced, maybe like 10 to 15 is really good to like warm up your wrists. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick, short and sweet informational video. I actually have another video on more wrist strengthening exercises that you can do. I'll link it up below and I'll tuck it down in the description. And as always, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe, because it really supports my channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.